Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will cover topic AI powered recommendation. AI powered recommendation is an algorithm captured that captured the data and research for our information and reach for the data our faded from the app or information software that reach main content and show the original and research content for pupils. That content is relevant for customers that is enjoying enjoying for continuously time to time. If we not build engagement, then customer are distorted, then app not sustained. If app or software are sustained, then we build customers reach. If customer are entertainment for our apps and softwares, then we need a AI powered recommendation. AI powered recommendation is show the customer's data for past 1 week or a month to show other content for the relevant of the customers. The customers are seeing this type of videos or another type of videos or complications, then recommendation are so for only these types and some of the different types that concentration builder, and that is used for product companies, that is Amazon and Flipkart and more. The companies are recommendation are used AI, present AI power recommendation and build up high recommending the AI power recommendation for more convenient for customers. If we grow 35% of profit, then including AI power recommendation, then customer profit are increased than 86%. That is that is a present of AI power recommendation. The customers are reached from the app and seen from the our products. Those products are relevant for the customers, and customers if reached, then buying purchase is increased. If product buying, then profit always increase. The customer not reach in apps that relevant product not seen in your home page, then customer not buying. The human nature are working what you see and what you buy. If they seem for relevant and our useful product, then we purchase. The- If we not showing relevant product, then customer not buy. If they seen more accessories, if product companies like those any other parts like pen or any of the system, then customer are not build a bridge, then customer are not build a bridge, then customer are not, customer are not build a bridge, then customer not purchase in your app, then go save from another way. They purchase a one product again recall human, second product purchase, then third, then fourth, then the AI captured all the data and information for the search, history, observations, then stored it AI and second time AI recommend for the relevant product for this time and some product is another time. That shows AI power recommendation build average in customers that more relevant product shows enormous or such then customer are very engaged. This type is used for YouTube and Instagrams that first time the information not included in AI power recommendation. AI power recommendation have only first no information because they have know about that person what you need. Then first time not even about this person. The person search gives first search you what you want to search. The customer will first search, then AI power recommendation conclude the all information from the searches and again go to the customer form app. Then AI power recommendation form part searches shows this their content. These content are relevant for customers. Then if not so beautiful for customers in app, then customer again search, then shows, again search, then shows that customer are information faded AI powered recommendation. The AI powered recommendation then shows the relevant content for the customers. People that people build a page in again and again they include more information in AI powered recommendation. Is many of the people conclude that AI powered recommendation cover to first time cover to a person. Are the present days AI are more capable for recommendation because that present time is include ChatGPT, generative AI, and build up AI that think without human. That need if we have not searched in any content, then AI power recommendation conclude in your house or areas but more content seen from the your areas than that content so in your mobile phones. That is different type of things for AI power recommendation. The AI power recommendation is many of the system that belong to the that belongs to AI systems. The AI are more capable this times and future are this recommendation is high powered and shows main content. Thank you.